Have you ever dreamed of growing plants that thrive easily and bring you high profits? If yes, then you're at the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 easy-to-grow plants that have incredibly high market value. And trust me, you don't need huge farmland or a big investment to get started. If you want to know these 5 powerful plants, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch this video till the end, because at the end I'll also share a special tip on how you can maximize your returns from them. Let's dive in. We begin with saffron, often called the red gold of agriculture. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world, and growing it is simpler than you might think if you have the right conditions. It thrives in regions with hot, dry summers and cold winters. The plant grows from small bulbs called corms, which you plant in late summer in sandy, well-drained soil. Saffron requires very little water after planting. After a few weeks, delicate purple flowers bloom, each holding 3 tiny red threads, the saffron stigmas. These must be carefully handpicked and dried. Although it takes around 75,000 flowers to produce just 1 pound of saffron, the return can be worth thousands of dollars, making it one of the most profitable choices for small farmers. The second plant on our list is Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree. Moringa is famous for its incredible health benefits and rapid growth. It thrives in hot, dry, and even semi-arid conditions, and it's so hardy that it can grow even in poor soils. Moringa can be grown from seeds or cuttings, and within just 2 to 3 months, you can start harvesting its highly nutritious leaves. Its pods are ready for harvest in about 6 months. Moringa products like powders, oils, and capsules are in high demand worldwide, particularly in the booming health and wellness industry. This tree offers multiple income streams from a single source, making it a smart choice for both small and large-scale growers. Next comes lavender, a plant that's as profitable as it is beautiful. Lavender loves sunny, dry climates and prefers sandy or rocky soils with good drainage. It's usually planted through seeds or small cuttings. Once established, lavender requires very little water and maintenance, making it ideal for areas where other crops may struggle. The first harvest usually happens within a year, and a single lavender plant can continue producing for up to 15 years. Farmers harvest the flowers just before full bloom to capture the highest quality essential oils. Beyond oils, lavender is also used in perfumes, skincare products, teas, and even culinary dishes, ensuring a wide and lucrative market for growers. Now let's talk about bamboo, nature's green gold. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on Earth. Under the right conditions, it can grow as much as 1 meter a day. It grows best in warm tropical climates, but can adapt to cooler regions as well. Bamboo needs well-drained, nutrient-rich soil and benefits from regular watering when young. Once mature, it becomes extremely hardy and self-sufficient. After about 3 to 5 years, bamboo can be harvested and used for a variety of high-demand products such as furniture, building materials, textiles, handicrafts, and even food. Bamboo is sustainable, versatile, and capable of turning any land holding into a long-term profitable venture. Finally, we have ginseng, a plant that truly rewards patience. Ginseng prefers cool, shaded environments similar to a natural forest floor. It grows best in deep, loose, well-drained soils rich in organic matter. Farmers usually plant seeds or rootlets under natural forest cover or artificial shade structures. Ginseng takes about 4 to 6 years to fully mature, but its roots are worth the wait. Mature, wild simulated ginseng roots are highly prized, especially in Asian markets, and can fetch prices in the hundreds or even thousands of dollars per pound. Though it requires patience and careful tending, the profits from a mature ginseng crop can be truly life-changing. So there you have it. 5 easy-to-grow, high-value plants that can turn a small farming effort into a highly profitable business. And now, as promised, here's your special tip. No matter which plant you choose, always focus on value addition. Instead of just selling raw saffron, package it beautifully in small jars. Instead of selling moringa leaves, turn them into organic powders or capsules. Extract and bottle lavender essential oil. Create eco-friendly furniture and products from bamboo. And process ginseng into premium herbal supplements. By adding value, you can often multiply your profits by 3 to 5 times with minimal extra investment. Start small, think big, and most importantly, take the first step today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more smart farming ideas and tips on turning nature into your business partner. See you in the next video.